Animated documentary videos are absolutely blowing up on YouTube right now, getting millions of views. And the method I'm going to show you works perfectly for documentary videos, business stories, or even kids' content. If you're serious about faceless YouTube creation, or you already have a channel, you should check out my membership. I share every top YouTube niche. You can chat with our team for help. Our team can optimize your channel, and much more. Now let's start the tutorial. Step 1. YouTube channel setup. First, we need to set up a YouTube channel. You can ask ChatGPT for a channel name. But here's the thing. Your logo and branding don't matter as much as you think. Viewers will click on your video's thumbnail and watch your content. They're not going to open your channel page. So focus on the right thing, the thumbnail. After creating the video, I'll show you in detail how to create a simple but effective thumbnail. Also, if you're starting from zero, you can get a pre-monetized channel to give your business a boost from the start. All the links are in the description. Step 2. Finding video ideas. There are 2 ways to do this. First, you could sit in a peaceful spot and think for hours or read books. But there's a better way. See what's performing well on YouTube right now. Go to a competitor's channel and look at their latest videos. See which video has more views than their average. Or you can install an extension that shows you which videos perform 20 times or 5 times better than others. You can also connect your channel to vidIQ, and it will give you video ideas specifically for your channel. Step 3. Script writing. Don't make this too complicated. Just open ChatGPT and ask it to write a script for a documentary video. Tell it your video idea. ChatGPT knows its job. You just need to pay attention to the length. Always create videos longer than 8 minutes for more ads and watch time. 8 minutes means 1,200 to 1,500 words of script. Then, copy the first paragraph of your script. Paste it into ChatGPT and ask it to give you prompts to generate AI images for each scene of the paragraph. Then paste this master prompt to get images like the ones you see on screen. ChatGPT will give you detailed prompts to generate images. Or, you can take a screenshot of a video you admire and ask ChatGPT to give you prompts to generate images like that reference image. Step 4. Generating images. I'll tell you about both free and paid tools for this. First, copy the image prompt. The free tool is Google's Gemini. Open gemini.google.com. Enable Create Images, paste your prompt, and also write 16:9 for the aspect ratio. Gemini will create an HD image for you. The paid tool is OpenArt. This video is not sponsored by OpenArt, by the way. It's not a single AI tool. Through it, you can use all the AI tools on the market. It's basically an all-in-one platform. If you go to Create Image, then in the Model section, you can choose any model like Flux, Nano Banana, Ideogram, Imagen, GPT, and all other tools. Choose a model according to your video style. Then insert your prompt. Choose an aspect ratio. You can generate images up to 4K, but for me, 1K is enough. Choose the number of images and hit Generate. You'll get a high-quality image. Step 5. Image to video generation. Again, we have both a free tool and a paid tool. The free tool will generate videos in low resolution only. Before creating the videos, go back to ChatGPT and ask it to give you animation prompts for each image prompt as well. The free tool is Meta AI. Open meta.ai, go to Create, switch to Video, then upload the image and paste its animation prompt. It creates videos in 720p only. The paid tool is, again, OpenArt.ai. Go to Video, select Image to Video. Here you'll find all the popular AI tools, including Sora 2 and Veo 3. Other tools like Kling, Seedance, Minimax, and Runway ML are also available. Choose Veo 2 for this video. Then upload the image, switch duration to 8 seconds, enter the prompt, and hit Create. You'll get a high-resolution video. According to me, it's the only subscription that's truly value for money, instead of buying separate tools for each thing. Step 6. Voiceover. For Voiceover, the one and only 11 Labs. But you don't need to buy its subscription because in OpenArt, you can use 11 Labs as well. Go to the audio section, choose the 11 Labs model. I suggest the second one. Then choose a voice. Make sure you use the same voice for every video on your channel to maintain consistency.
Osama bin Laden was one of the most influential and controversial figures of the modern era.
Step 7. Background music. The best platform for background music is YouTube's official audio library. Go to studio.youtube.com and open Audio Library. Choose genre, cinematic, mood, dramatic, and search for documentary or suspense. Start playing music until you find what you want. It's 100% safe with zero risk of copyright issues. Step 8. Editing. You can use any basic tool like CapCut. Import the voiceover first, then all the videos. Click on Sort and select Time Created. It will arrange all the videos in the right sequence. Then import all the videos and the voiceover. If a clip is too long, trim it. If a clip is too short, reduce its speed. Then add music to the timeline. Normalize its loudness. Then reduce its volume according to the voiceover volume.
Osama bin Laden was one of the most influential and controversial figures of the modern era. Born in 1957 in Saudi Arabia, he grew up in a wealthy family, yet his life would take a path far from privilege. In the 1980s, he joined the Afghan resistance against the Soviet invasion, forming networks and ideologies that would later shape the foundation of Al-Qaeda.
Then go to Captions and generate captions. Don't use the templates. We don't need fancy dancing text. Choose your own brand font and add a small shadow behind it. That's it. I'm even deleting captions because I prefer clean videos. That was the basic editing. If you want to do advanced documentary editing, you should take the complete course. Step 9. Thumbnail design. Go back to ChatGPT and ask it to give you a detailed prompt to generate a thumbnail for this video. ChatGPT will give you a perfect prompt. Copy it and generate the image using Nano Banana Pro. It's available in Google's Pro plan and obviously in OpenArt. Ask for changes if you want, like make the face more visible. For thumbnail design, the user-friendly tool is Canva. Click on Create and select YouTube Thumbnail. Add the image to the canvas and set the image as background. Then, again, go back to ChatGPT and ask it which font will suit best for this video, and give you some lines to display on the thumbnail. Choose a font and a thumbnail text line. Open Canva, add a text box, and simply use the same text and font ChatGPT gave you. Adjust its size and orientation. Change the color of the important text. Then go to Effects and select Lift. It will make the text more visible. Then click on Share and choose JPG as the format. The thumbnail size should be under 2 megabytes. Step 10. Uploading. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to give you some titles for the video. Choose a title or write your own. Then ask it to write an SEO-optimized description for this video. Use this title and description. That's it. There's no need for tags or any special tricks. Just upload quality and lengthy videos regularly. Check out our pre-monetized accounts and also my membership to get free support from our professional team.